So I have these broken four-wheeler plastics right here. And I'm going to attempt to use this soldering pen to melt those pieces back together to make it look better. I'm going to only do it on the inside so the outside looks original. So I'm just going to take this soldering iron or soldering pen thing. I'm going to go, I'm going to move that. I'm just going to go like this. I'm just going to push them together. I'm just going to melt the plastics. So I melted the plastics together from here to here. It seems to work. Pushing on it and stuff doesn't like crack apart or nothing. I might have to go over that little part right there. Let's check the side. I mean, I think it looks pretty good. I might put a little bit of glue or something there, but looks a lot better. This is the end result. I went from there down to there, and then flipping it over, I just kind of took the iron back and forth, trying to smooth it out a little bit. I think it looks pretty good. It's a little harder to tell up here, which is good, but I think it looks better than the crack. Let me know what you think down below.